I just want to create a restaurant where everyone loves working, but I don't have to learn their new slang or decode memes just to get them to set the tables right. Don't worry, bruh. You don't need a PhD in memeology to build a killer team. But can that work for me even if my Gen Z staff is more concerned about their phones than they are about making sure that the food gets to the table on time? What's amazing is with the right groove and the right tools, training them will be smoother than avocado toast, baby. But won't I have to worry about having to repeat the same thing over and 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 over again? Nope. So I won't have to go on shaman journeys with them just for us to be able to connect and communicate? Nope. You don't have to do any of that. You can build a top-notch crew even if your team thinks that In the Weeds is the name of the next big festival. But isn't it true that Gen Z has shorter attention span than goldfish? False. Don't you have to bribe them with endless energy drinks just to keep them motivated and going? Because understanding their tech-savvy minds is key. And you don't need to speak fluent emoji to get your point across. Oh, well, how do I get started? It's simple. All you have to do is join my Patreon group, unless you'd rather be stuck teaching millennials how to do the latest TikTok craze dance. No. Where do I sign? Sign me up. Yeah. Where?
Be sure to click the link below and join the group so that you too can attract, retain, and train 5-star quality staff and make more money, baby. Yeah.